Aave value equivalent to $101.98 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $101.36, $105.36. The earlier day close: $104.69. The change was 2.71, 2.59%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to Aave. Aave value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Aave cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at $98. Excessive cost $126, while low cost $91. The normal for the month $107. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $112, change for December 14.3%. Aave conjecture for January 2024. Before all else cost at $112. Excessive cost $128, while low cost $97. The normal for the month $114. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $120, change for January 7.1%. Aave cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at $120. Excessive cost $149, while low cost $120. The normal for the month $132. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $139, change for February 15.8%. Aave estimate for WOC 2024. To start with cost at $139. Exorbitant cost $172, while low cost $139. The normal for the month $153. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $161, change for spring 15.8%. Aave cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $161. Exorbitant cost $200, while low cost $161. The normal for the month $177. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $187, change for April 16.1%. Aave estimate for May 2024. At the outset cost at $187. Excessive cost $208, while low cost $180. The normal for the month $192. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $194, change for May 3.7%. Aave cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $194. Excessive cost $212, while low cost $184. The normal for the month $197. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $198, change for June 2.1%. Aave estimate for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $198. Exorbitant cost $234, while low cost $198. The normal for the month $212. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $219, change for July 10.6%. Aave cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $219. Excessive cost $240, while low cost $208. The normal for the month $223. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $224, change for August 2.3%. Aave estimate for September 2024. To start with cost at $224. Exorbitant cost $243, while low cost $211. The normal for the month $226. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $227, change for September 1.3%. Aave cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at $227. Excessive cost $245, while low cost $213. The normal for the month $229. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $229, change for October 0.9%. Aave gauge for November 2024. In the first place cost at $229. Exorbitant cost $249, while low cost $217. The normal for the month $232. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $233, change for November 1.7%. Aave cost expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at $233. Exorbitant cost $289, while low cost $233. The normal for the month $256. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $270, change for December 15.9%. Aave conjecture for January 2025. At the outset cost at $270. Excessive cost $301, while low cost $261. The normal for the month $278. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $281, change for January 4.1%. Aave cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost cost at $281. Exorbitant cost $312, while low cost $272. The normal for the month $289. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $292, change for February 3.9%. Aave gauge for walk 2025. To start with cost at $292. Exorbitant cost $351, while low cost $292. The normal for the month $316. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $328, change for spring 12.3%. Aave cost expectation for April 2025. In the first place cost at $328. Exorbitant cost $362, while low cost $314. The normal for the month $336. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $338, change for April 3.0%. Aave gauge for May 2025. At the outset cost at $338. Excessive cost $338, while low cost $272. The normal for the month $310. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $293, change for May 13.3%. Aave cost expectation for June 2025. Initially cost at $293. Excessive cost $364, while low cost $293. The normal for the month $323. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $340, change for June 16.0%. Aave gauge for July 2025. In the first place cost at $340. Exorbitant cost $340, while low cost $266. The normal for the month $308. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $286, change for July 15.9%. Aave cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at $286. Exorbitant cost $286, while low cost $223. The normal for the month $259. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $240, change for August 16.1%. Aave estimate for September 2025. To start with cost at $240. Exorbitant cost $240, while low cost $188. The normal for the month $218. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $202, change for September 15.8%. Aave cost expectation for October 2025. At the outset cost at $202. Excessive cost $250, while low cost $202. The normal for the month $222. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $234, change for October 15.8%. Aave figure for November 2025. Initially cost at $234. Excessive cost $234, while low cost $203. The normal